For you to succeed in the digital economy, people have to know all the awesome things that you do. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is FelaKuti. I'm a brand and marketing professional, and on my channel I teach you the skills that you need to succeed in the digital economy. So today guys, I'll be showing you how to set up your Linktree account for free. Linktree is a landing page that helps you add hyperlinks. So let's say from your documents to your videos to your music, whatever it be that you do, even as a professional, accreditations that you have, the certifications, all of the awesome things that makes you who you are, people have to know that in 2023, right? So this Linktree is so great that it helps you project yourself well online. Be set up using a smartphone or a laptop, but for today I'll be doing that with my phone and showing you step-by-step guide to setting up your Linktree account. Let's get right into the video, guys. This is how a Linktree page looks like. This is mine, and I have links to different things that I do. If you click on my brand design link, you will go to my portfolio and see some of the works that I have done in the past. So a Linktree can help you host several other links. So let's start. You can go to linktree.com and you will go to create a Linktree account, type in your information. Then you go to create account, you type in your password, and then go to continue, and then you go to the sign up page where it says tell us about yourself. You write your name, and then from there you go to pick a category that best describes your Linktree. For this, let's say creative category, so we'll click in creative, and then we'll go into pick a category optional, and then we'll go to digital creator and we'll continue. Now it says pick your plan. You could start with a free plan, because with the free options you have several things that you can do. It has a lot of benefits already. You could start with that, but you could also do the starter or the pro plan, and once you've decided, you click the continue button again and go on to your email, where you would have to sign in, and you will see a sign in that says thank you for signing up. Then the first thing you see would be enter your URL. This is where you go to take the link that you want to put. So let's say for example my portfolio page, I'll go and copy the link for my Behance portfolio page and put that into the enter the URL option. I'll type the purple button and immediately it populates, and I can see my Behance page. I can turn it on or I can turn it off from the green button. So let's also try to do a document this time. I'll go to documents. I would now go and pick any document from my phone. Then I would type title of the document or whatever title that I want to put on the document, and from there on you can see that the document has already populated. You could put a description to describe whatever document it is, so that people would understand when they click on it, and immediately it populates as well. You can turn it on or turn it off. Yes, so on this page you can see there are several other options. There's the sound, there's Typeform, there's videos. You can grow your following, whatever it be. So the button down here are very important buttons. If you go look through on my phone, the buttons at the lower part of the phone is where you navigate to different parts of a Linktree when you're creating it. Now down that button you saw an appearance button. There you would create your profile. There you create your image profile. You go down to create a theme. You can pick any of the themes available. You can also, you see that there are paid plans, and there are paid plans that are locked, they called upgrade, and there are some plans that are not locked. So you pick whatever plan that you've subscribed to, which is the free plan for this tutorial, and we'll pick one. You can also decide to pick a background, not a theme. That's if you have a particular style that you're going for. Also for the background page, also you can pick and fill in a button. You could pick a round, square button, whatever button that suits your page or your style. If you have a style in mind, you can also go and pick a button color and a button font color. So these are just customizations that you can do to your style and to your specification. You can pick a font as well. There's a free font and there's a paid or locked font for upgrades. There are also the fonts come in different categories. There's classic, modern, unique. So whatever style suits your brand, you can go ahead and pick it. You can also change your font color to whatever color. So it's down the page. You can see links, appearance, preview, analytics, and more. Preview, you can see some of the things that we've done and the 2 links we've added already. Going on to the analytics, this is where you see the lifetime analytics of your page, people who viewed it, people who've clicked it, your revenue, and all of the daily clicks on your page. For now it's still 0 because we just opened this page. Moving on from analytics, you go to the more icon, where you can also have some more Linktree settings. Here you can see support banner, mail integration, commerce integration, people who have an e-commerce site. Or you can go to SEOs, those ones, some are free while some are also paid. But let's go to the social icons. Here you can add all your social information, from your email to your Facebook URL to your Twitter handle. Let's add an email. And you can add your YouTube URL, Instagram username, and so many other social icons and social information. Once you add all the informations, they would show on the front page, where people would see the front end of your Linktree page. Once you're done with this, then you go back to the share your Linktree, and there you can share and copy your Linktree. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.